Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you what I received from the swap that I did with my girlfriends, my crafty friends. I did do a video of what I shared with them, and if you missed that video, you can see that here. Much better lighting. Okay, so there are 4 of us, including myself. We had to make some die cuts. Like I said, I did leave a video link, so if you've missed what I've shared with them, you can go back and check that out. But let me bring out, so this is one of them. This is how we received one of our swaps, and this was from Sarah. Oh my gosh, look at this. And then this next swap is from Amanda, and she's packaged it in a pocket, like a loaded pocket. And then the next one and last one is from Charlene, and she did this like mason jar paper bag. How genius. Okay, so that's the 3 projects I'll share with them. Let's dig in. So thank you so much, ladies, for participating and for sharing your crafty talents. I get so inspired by you, all 3 of you. I love it. So let's see. There were candies included in these, but I've already eaten the candies. You've missed that. But she's included some of these die cuts that I am so excited to use, because I did die cut them some wagons, and so this will be great to add to those wagons as fillers with some of the other dies. They are very small. You can create lots of scenes with these. So the apples and fall leaves, and I believe stems, pumpkin stems. Yes, so let me get all of this goodness back in here. So that was the first layer. Then the next layer comes off, and included is pumpkins. So I believe those stems fit on these pumpkins. And so we've gotten an assortment of pumpkins cut out in different types of colors and papers and sizes. So thank you there. Thank you, thank ya. And then we got some leaves. Assortment of colors of leaves here, fall leaves. Oh, and then we got some wooden signs that we can make, and the post, love it. And some branches, love that. Love that. More apples. These are bigger sized apples. And then buckets. I believe that's a fence, but the like wooden barrels. And some like frames with some like plates, name plates. I don't know what to call them, but they are assorted frames, and then the middles for the frame. So thank you for that, Sarah. So that was the next level, next layer. And then the last layer, oh, I forgot I had a limeade. Yes. And then more leaves, more different types of leaves, solid as well as shadow pieces, and they're bigger leaves. And here's more leaves out of the felt, and these are like sticker type of material. Maybe not, but tons of those. So thank you so much, Sarah. I am excited to use these in my fall crafting. I'm not sure if she also made these buttons. Cool, huh? I'm not sure if I am going to do any more fall crafting this year, but how cute is that? And it just boxes up so nicely. So look at the detail, each panel. So she made each of us one of these, so she had to run each piece through the die cut machine, you know, 3 times. But yes, I love how it turned out beautiful. Then she also gave us like scratch paper and then some of the cutouts, like if we wanted the negative spaces. So she just included that as an extra to see what we can come up with there. And then the next one is the one from Charlene, and it's the mason jar. She added it on a paper bag. How fun is that with all the pockets in here? But she's included some army men, because it could be anything fall, Thanksgiving, you know, Veterans Day is in November. And then she also included some pumpkins that we can color ourselves. She stamped some pumpkins. So we could include die cuts or stamps. And then she also included these. We can color these up. I believe these are Julie Nutting. So how fun is that? We got an assortment of those. And then she's also included these ones that are holding this a coffee mug, so we can color those up and add those to our cards. How fun! Let's put that one down here, and then let's check out what's inside. I'm gonna pull everything out. She also included some papers that she hoards. So thank you for sharing, Charlene. She's included these coffee mugs, holders, as well as more veteran type of die cuts. These are bigger. And then some of the die cuts here. I don't know if you can, if the camera shows them up well, but they're just scenes. And then we got more veteran type of die cuts here. And then I ended up cutting out a whole bunch of these. I borrowed her die because they are, you know, good army men for my toy soldiers from Toy Story. So I'm hoping to make some Disney layouts soon to be able to use these. And then a scarecrow that we can paper piece together. How fun is that? And, oh, some dog tags. How great. I don't have any of those. So how exciting. Thank you so much, Charlene. Thank you, thank you. And then the last one is from Amanda, and it is her, like, her loaded pocket. And she has included a whole bunch. So let's see. So she included the slimline die that she's cut out. And she saved all the stars from them. Such a great idea. That's a good fun mix too right there. So that one. And then she's also included, oh, some of this wood grain. But check this out. She's put my initial on a paper clip. How fun is that? I love it. And then she's made this topper with this fun little trim, and I believe these are embossed, so they're like wood grain embossed. Can you see the wood grain in it? I'm not sure if one color shows it better than the other, maybe this one. But yeah, so those are nice wood grain panels. Love it. Great for backgrounds, especially during this fall season. These will make lovely backgrounds. Okay, sorry for all the crinkling, and got that back in. And then she's also cut us out some of these fall leaf type of border die. This is great to make a shaker. If I have which I probably do, have a die this size, I could cut it out to make the back and do this as a shaker. And then she's also cut out a few of the thankful for you words. Thank you, Amanda. We're still pulling out stuff out of that top pocket there, so you can see how she made it. Let me just pull it all out, give you a better idea. We'll look at it closer. Oh, she did include a sequence mix, so I forgot to include my sequence mix with my swap. Thank you for that. Oh, look at this. How cute. She made this little envelope pocket type of deal. Aww. And then there's some die cuts in here, some leaves, fall leaves, and assortments of colors. I like that gold tone. Can you see it? Maybe the packaging is... It's like real subtle tone of gold. I love these colors. Thank you, Amanda. Great color choices. Great color choices. Okay, so get those back in there. Such a cute little idea here. And then she also shared with us some fall papers. Thank you so much. And she made this beautiful paper clip. How fun. Fun. I'm gonna stick this on here. There you go. And then she's also cut us out a few Happy Thanksgiving die cuts as well. Love her bow packaging. And then she's got more in here, more. So that is the loaded pocket she made here. I'm not sure if she used a die or if she just followed a video, but beautiful. So that's her pocket. Hopefully I can get everything back in. And these are the last things. So how cute. She has a little tag here that she's enclosed. And then there's another little pocket with more leaves. Thank you, thank you. How fun is that? I wonder if it might have went like that, maybe. I could be wrong. But, and then the last one, how cute is this little folio? She's put some of this, I'm not sure, like chiffon type of material. Anyway, she's made a bunch of pockets, and that's the material was holding them all together. And each pocket, she has different dies. So here's some leaves. There's more different, I think they're all leaves. They're just different shaped leaves. And then an assortment of colors that she die cut for us. So how fun is that? I am very much stocked on my fall crafting beans. I don't have any pretty much fall paper or too much, you know, fall-ish embellishments. So now I'll be able to make me a stash of them. And I'm definitely ready for next year's fall season if I don't use these all up this year. It's so nice to have all these ready-made things to just put together a project. It comes together so much faster. I don't lose my, you know, train of thought, or, you know, I was making this and then I got an idea, started making something else and forgot what I was making something for. Anyway, but so let me see, I'm gonna try to load these all back in here. But that was our swap for November. Stay tuned. I believe our next swap is for December coming up, and those are gift tags. We're making 10 gift tags for each of us, and I've already started on those. I'll be doing a little series, you know, one tag a day, and so be looking out for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little share and have found some inspiration. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!